5 weapons scarier than the nuclear bomb. 1. Thermobaric weapons. This weapon is often called a vacuum bomb, but it's actually more common in rocket form. A thermobaric weapon is almost 100% fuel. The explosive comprises several parts. There is a fuel container and 2 separate explosive charges. On impact, the first explosive charge detonates. This opens the container, scattering the fuel mixture as a cloud. This cloud can penetrate any building openings or defenses. A second charge detonates the cloud. This creates a huge fireball and a massive blast wave. The resulting vacuum sucks up all surrounding oxygen. All living things within the blast radius are instantly evaporated. 2. Gene drive. A gene drive is a genetic engineering technique. Simply put, it makes sure certain genes are propagated. Genes are modified so they don't follow biological rules of heredity. Concerns about human genome editing arose in 2015. Models suggest the possibility of an extinction-oriented gene drive. So far, no gene-based weapons have been built, but it only takes one to make humanity go extinct. Gene drive systems are self-propagating. They've been used to eradicate certain diseases in nature. 3. Cobalt bomb. A thermonuclear bomb is bad enough, but packing it with ordinary cobalt would make it worse. When the bomb explodes, the fusion reaction produces neutrons. They transmute the cobalt to the radioactive cobalt-60. It is then vaporized by the explosion. The cobalt condenses and falls back to Earth as a dust cloud. It contaminates the ground. The fallout would remain deadly for more than 5 years. No cobalt bomb has ever been built yet. 4. Kinetic bombardment. This weapon relies solely on kinetic energy. There's no explosive charge or nuclear fusion. What makes it so destructive is speed. A kinetic weapon would be launched from orbit. A satellite could launch tungsten rods at targets. The speed of the rod would make it lethal and unstoppable. No such weapon has been created. But in 2003, the USAF did a study of hypervelocity rod bundles. 20-foot long, 1-foot diameter tungsten rods were proposed. They'd have impact speeds of Mach 10. This would have the effect of a tactical nuke. The so-called rods from God were never built. 5. Grey goo. This term was coined by nanotechnology pioneer Eric Drexler. The grey goo hypothesis describes an apocalyptic scenario. Self-replicating nanobots may get out of control. They could consume all life on Earth while building more of themselves. This is known as ecophagy. Ultimately, all matter in the universe would be turned into goo. It would be a lifeless mass of self-replicating nanobots. This was a far-fetched concept when Drexler described it in 1986. But with AI advancements, it sounds too close for comfort. AI-driven nanotech is very hard to predict. Consider this: nanobots are invisible to the naked eye. They are programmed to have a hive mind. It's the only way to use them efficiently. What if there were a glitch in the nano AI? We might not even notice it until it was too late. Weaponizing AI-driven nanotechnology is a huge risk, but we all know someone will eventually take it.